Welcome to the Enchanting World of Peonies. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey through the captivating and timeless world of peony flowers. Peonies, scientifically known as Paeonia, are beloved for their luxurious blooms and rich history. These iconic flowers are cherished for their exquisite appearance, fragrance, and symbolism. Join us as we delve into the enchanting world of peonies. The genus Paeonia encompasses several species and a multitude of cultivars, each with its unique charm. Peonies are characterized by their large, often double, bowl-shaped blossoms that come in a range of colors, including shades of pink, white, red, and even coral. Their lush, voluminous petals create an air of opulence and elegance. Peonies carry deep cultural and symbolic significance. They are often associated with romance, prosperity, and good fortune, making them popular choices for weddings, anniversaries, and special occasions. Additionally, peonies are renowned for their enchanting fragrance, which has inspired poets and perfumers for centuries. Peonies are highly regarded in the world of gardening and horticulture. Peonies are a favorite among gardeners for their ability to add a touch of elegance and timeless beauty to gardens, borders, and cut flower arrangements. Whether grown as perennials or shrubs, peonies offer a stunning focal point in any landscape. One of the most remarkable features of peonies is their longevity. With proper care, peony plants can live for decades, providing a reliable source of beauty year after year. Their enduring appeal adds to their popularity among gardeners and flower enthusiasts. Efforts are dedicated to conserving native peony species and preserving heirloom peony varieties to safeguard their genetic diversity and survival. In summary, peonies are more than just beautiful blooms. They embody the spirit of opulence, longevity, and the enduring allure of elegance. Peonies are known for their adaptability to diverse climates worldwide, from temperate regions to colder zones with harsh winters. Let's explore their remarkable adaptability. Climate tolerance. Peonies are versatile and can thrive in regions with temperate and even cold climates. Some varieties endure frigid winters, while others flourish in milder conditions. Soil preferences. Peonies prefer well-draining, fertile soil. Peonies are adaptable to various soil types, including sandy, loamy, or clayey soils, and they tend to thrive in slightly acidic to neutral pH soils. Watering needs. Peonies require regular watering during their growing season, with an emphasis on maintaining consistent moisture. Adequate hydration is essential for healthy growth and lush blooms. Sunlight requirements. Most peony varieties flourish in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. However, some tolerate partial shade, making them versatile for gardens with varying light conditions. Peonies offer a myriad of possibilities for landscaping and garden design, with various ways to incorporate their enchanting charm into your outdoor space. Garden focal points. Plant peonies as striking focal points in your garden beds or mixed borders, drawing attention with their lush blooms and elegant fragrance. Cut flower gardens. Cultivate peonies in cutting gardens, where their opulent flowers can be used for exquisite floral arrangements, adding sophistication to your home. Mixed borders. Combine peonies with other perennials and shrubs to create mixed borders that offer diversity and visual intrigue. Cottage gardens. Incorporate peonies into cottage garden designs, where their timeless beauty complements the relaxed and informal style. Formal gardens. Use peonies in formal garden designs, where their luxurious presence enhances structured layouts and pathways. Container gardening. While not typical, some peony varieties can be grown in large containers or pots to create stunning patio or balcony displays. The versatility of peonies empowers you to express your creativity and personal style in landscaping and gardening, whether you choose to create dramatic focal points, elegant floral arrangements, or charming cottage gardens. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey into the enchanting world of peonies. Peonies have captivated gardeners and flower enthusiasts for their opulent blooms, fragrance, and the timeless beauty they bring to gardens and celebrations. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a floral enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the elegance of a peony, may these enchanting flowers continue to bring romance, prosperity, and a touch of timeless beauty to your life and surroundings.